There are very few events that I can truly say has transformed me as an attorney. National Day of Action is when we can go up and meet different senators and congressmen, sit down with them at their office with their staff one-on-one. And they have half an hour to an hour where they can hear your pleadings. I was able to sit down with a congressman and go over the bill that they're working on and actually make active changes, giving suggestions on how to change that bill to better suit H-1B applicants. Another staff member was very interested in how their policy is actually being played out in the field. This Republican representative was very keen on how his I-9 policy is doing. And it just so happens I'm on the online review committee reviewing the worksite enforcement I-9 audits. And so I was able to talk to him. Well, this is what's happening in the field. And we're thinking about, well, how can it work? So one congressman was talking about their policies of the past. Actually, a lot of the congressmen, they were talking about what's going to happen in November and what they need to get things to move, right? And what are the top 10 priorities in order to move the needle, because they can't fix everything. And the public needs to let the representatives and the public policymakers know what is actually good for America, because the Democratic Party is very much split on what they want to prioritize. The insight that I got this time coming to Capitol Hill, seeing the gridlock and the bipartisanship, is that the near future, next 2 years, next 6 years, there might not be a major immigration reform. It might be the individual USCIS officer. It might be the individual consulate general at that embassy, at that consulate, making a discretionary choice to approve a particular case based on your client's circumstance. And so what can we do as practitioners? Work on each individual case, treat it like it's only going to happen this one time. Talk to the consulate general, talk to USCIS officers, prepare it, plead, because it's never going to be a time like this again. Now, of course, this is my personal take from my personal experience, from my personal conversations. All the attorneys who came, I think there's over 300 of us, we got to talk to different senators from different parts of the country, and we all get to come together and share our own takeaways. And that is something that is truly transformative. Being able to congregate together on Capitol Hill, talking with fellow-minded experts, talking with the senators, the lawmakers, and being able to look into the future and reflect on what we need to do now. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Take care. Bye-bye.